Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Youngster. Youngster means child, young person, or young animal. For example, he will be working with the youth team and offering the youngsters guidance. He will be working with the youth team and offering the youngsters guidance. Synonyms: young person, child, young adult.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first example. He will be working with the youth team and offering the youngsters guidance. Now, repeat after me. He will be working with the youth team and offering the youngsters guidance. The second example. The use of blogging as a therapeutic tool for youngsters with particular problems. Now, repeat after me. The use of blogging as a therapeutic tool for youngsters with particular problems. The third example. The aim of the project is to give youngsters a springboard towards independence. Now, repeat after me. The aim of the project is to give youngsters a springboard towards independence.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Only 2 English words in current use end in "gry". They are angry and hungry.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.